Uh, Hello everyone that is watching. This is Kidema Technical Services. You click on the subscribe button if you've not yet subscribed to our channel, and also hit the like button to like our videos. Share this video with your friends so that they can also be in position to get notifications about uploads. Today I want to take you through a series of how to connect this digital voltmeter. It is a digital voltmeter. This is a red indicator. Usually when we get these indicator lamps, you find indicator lamps which do not have a digital voltmeter within them, but now this one is a two-way. It is an indicator lamp for a phase indicator lamp for the red phase, but it still has a digital voltmeter within it. So its voltage, working voltage, is between 20 to 500 volts AC. So I'm going to take you through how to connect it. It is just very simple to connect this cable. So you just have two cables which just need to be connected to its terminals. It has two terminals that you just connect to. So connect the hot cable, which will be the live, and then connect the neutral. Then connect the neutral. Then connect the neutral. No, it is always recommended to monitor what voltage your equipment are using, because you can easily have high voltages or low voltages, and it can not be easy to troubleshoot when things go wrong. So with these voltmeters connected to your control panel or distribution board, you can easily know how many volts are running through your DB, or the input power that you have. So I'm going to connect it to a simple socket. I'm going to connect to a simple socket outlet or a receptacle. Then I will power it up. Then we shall be in position to know what voltage we are working with. So when I switch on the receptacle, it shows me that this is 237 volts that we are working with. So this is 237 volts. So that's the end of our episode. Kindly subscribe and share, and you can throw your comments in the comment section below. See you tomorrow in our next episode.